Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the Holy Grail indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, but my emphasis is going to be on the MT4 version. All right, you can just check the description below and download your preferred version, and after which you should decompress the file, the folder I mean, and then pick out the indicator file, head over to the indicators folder for your MT4 or your MT5 platform. You paste it inside the indicators folder, and then you get back to your navigator, just right click and refresh. After doing that, you should see the Holy Grail indicator in your navigator, but if you cannot find it still, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, so here we have the Holy Grail indicator. Just drag and drop. All right, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for the input settings, we can say the EMA period is set to 10 as default, ADX period set to 7 as default, the on-screen info is set to true as default, sound alert on true as default, email alert on true as default, and the look back 1000 as default, right? So this is how the indicator looks like. It gives you precise sell or buy signals. You can see here, and then it's also going to show you, an arrow. All right, it's going to show you arrow telling you to sell in addition to this, or going to show you an arrow telling you to buy in addition to the buy text. Okay, and then you can also see the account leverage, the account currency, account type, broker time, local time, the time difference, the ask price, the bid price, the spread, account balance, account equity, used margin, used free margin, and used margin, right? So these are important informations being displayed by the indicator. So in addition to the buy and sell signals, the indicator also gives you valuable information at the top left hand corner. All right, so now when you get your buy signal, you just have to look for buy confirmations. Could be in the form of candlestick patterns, and then after you get your confirmation, you proceed to execute your trade, but ensure that of course you have a confluence at least, and then of course use proper lot sizing, and your take profit can be around resistance zones for your buy trade, or maybe when the sell signal appears. Then for your sell trade, your take profit can be around maybe support zones, or when the buy signal appears. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.